Hi everyone. Jimmy Santos, Nano Babo Kabalen.
Yeah.
Jimmy Santos loves you 3 times a day.
Welcome to Rexsun Korean Town!
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Nano Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, we were invited by Crabs and Crack 4th branch dito sa may Koreatown. So, whoa, look at that! Guys, if you wanna know more, gusto niyo pong makita ang mga crabs dito, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Real live crabs, guys, kapag dinideliver nila dito. And look at this, meron silang bagong technology. This is their
Crab fattener.
crab fattener.
Yeah, so ito yung ginagamit nila, pampataba ng mga crabs natin.
Actually, pampataba, pwede mo silang pakainin dito.
Yes.
Pwede mo silang pakainin.
Sure na sure tayo sa quality ng mga crabs natin. For sure matataba mga yan.
Quality and freshness. So, kasama natin ang mga winners ng hashtag Tukimuko. Yan, hashtag Tukimuko is real, bro.
Yes.
So, ito yung mga proof natin. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
First time sa Crabs and Crack, hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Pang ilan na?
Hindi na mabilang.
Hindi na mabilang?
Yes.
Ganun karami? Alright. Oh, that is hard. Brother, let's have a rundown kung ano yung mga sinerve nila so far.
Siyempre for our food, meron tayo dito yung sweet and sour
Pampano,
shrimp salad,
shrimp salad, good.
seafood platter, meron tayong kare-kare, stuffed pusit, baby back ribs.
Wow!
Ayan, no?
Di ko nakita ano dumaan to. Pero ito pala
Baby
yun.
back ribs, meron tayo ditong roasted chicken,
Uh-huh.
seafood kare-kare, alige rice,
Alige rice.
grilled belly tuna.
Grilled belly tuna.
Meron tayong syempre yung kanilang mainit na sabaw na bulalo. Syempre yung Kapampangan sisig.
Alright. Taba lamang.
Kabaya. Naman taba.
Look
No?
how,
Fat they are.
yes, how effective yung kanilang, di ba?
Crab
yung mechanism
fattener.
nila.
Ooh, yun no? Yung pinakamasarap sa crab eh.
Uh-huh.
Yung kanilang taba.
Alright, so before we say goodbye to you guys, syempre, kasama natin si Sir Jimmy, ayan, no? Tanungin natin yung experience ng mga katukimuko dito sa We're in Pampanga, ayan. So far, how is the experience?
Sobrang sarap.
Uh-huh.
Sobrang ang sasarap ng food nila.
Yes, ma'am.
Mas try po yung mga mga a la carte nila, like ito po, seafood kare-kare, yung alige rice.
Super sarap. Busog na busog.
Tukimuko is real.
Tukimuko is real.
Tukimuko is real. Ayan. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Brother, hashtag
Tukimuko is real.
So ito yung mga evidence natin, mga guys. Ito yung nalaman namin na mas malakas pala silang kumain kaysa sa atin. Yun lang ang masasabi ko.
And what is good thing naman is na-enjoy nila yung pagsama sa atin.
Exactly. So again, guys, congratulations to Crabs and Crack. This is your 4th branch. And guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.